How off are you for leaving your packs?
I'm not leaving my pack anyway. I don't think that's going to help us much.
It's going to speed us up, though.
No, it's not.
You don't think so, Josh?
No. Not enough to be worth it. We've got all of our fucking film in those packs. I am not leaving my pack anywhere.
So what are we going to do, just sit in the woods and make a movie of ourselves lost?
Shut up. I just thought it'd be something useful to do on a break, okay?
That's true, I guess.
Using a camera at least makes me feel productive even if I'm not really being productive. It just helps me stay sane, okay?
Takes your mind off.
I'm
The
sorry,
only thing we got to be productive at this point about is getting...
I know. But we're stopping anyway, so I don't see why I can't just shoot when we stop.
Well, I'm rolling sound, so if you do.
I am being careful, I promise.